Hi, I'm Ken with Orion Telescopes and Binoculars, and this is the Orion StarSeeker 4 127mm Maksutov Cassegrain telescope. Well, just like it sounds, it's 127mm, that's about 5-inch MacCass, and that means it's a very long focal length telescope in a very short package, good for being very transportable, lightweight, but still with a lot of power inherent in it. It sits on the StarSeeker 4 mount, which is our latest incarnation of the StarSeeker line. This features several improvements: a nice solid steel tripod. The GoTo system itself is fully robotic, so you punch in what you want to see, it will go find it for you, it will center it, and then it'll continue to track the object in the sky. A very nice feature of the GoTo system itself is that it features a closed-loop dual encoder system in the axes. That means once you've found something, you can move the scope manually to something else, and the telescope will not get lost. The computer won't get lost. It still knows that you've moved it. So let's say I just moved it and then I want to go back to the original object. I just punch it into the hand controller and it will know exactly where to go to get back to the original object. One nice advantage there is if you wanted to save a little bit of battery power slewing from one side of the sky to the other, you can manually just move the scope to where you think the new object is going to be, and then tell the telescope or the computer to go to it, and it'll do the last little bit with the GoTo system, and you've only used the batteries for just that last little bit instead of slewing all the way across the sky and wasting your AA batteries. Speaking of AA's, they fit into the base now. They're not in a separate little pouch. They go right in here, 8 AA batteries. You can also power it from an external 12-volt source, and the mount comes with a DC cigarette lighter plug, so it'll plug into your car or your external rechargeable battery. The telescope itself, 5-inch Mac, like I said, so inherently a lot of focal length. So this is great for moon and planetary detail. There's a lot of resolution for rings of Saturn, the moons around Jupiter. Also, it's got a big enough aperture to get into some of the brighter deep sky objects. So if you're going after the Orion Nebula or the Andromeda Galaxy, this can definitely pull it in. It comes with 2 eyepieces, a 23mm and a 10mm, both wide-angle design eyepieces. You get a 90-degree star diagonal here for comfort when you're looking down into it. And then it also comes with a finder scope, the Easy Finder. You really only use that when you're doing the initial star alignment, the 2-star alignment. After that, the telescope could find anything on its own. All right, well, there you have it, the Orion StarSeeker 4 127mm Maksutov Cassegrain telescope. Thank you very much. Clear skies.